What would you sacrifice for honor? Imagine living by a code so strict that even in defeat your loyalty remains unbroken. Welcome to the world of the samurai, where life and death were dictated by a single code, Bushido. The story of the samurai begins in the 12th century during a time of civil war in Japan. Local lords or daimyo hired skilled warriors to defend their lands. These warriors, the samurai, rose in power and prominence, and soon their influence began to shape Japanese society. But the samurai were not just fighters. They followed a strict code of conduct known as Bushido, the way of the warrior. This code dictated how they lived, fought, and even died. It was a way of life that demanded loyalty to their daimyo, unwavering courage in battle, and an honorable death over disgrace. Bushido was more than just a set of rules, it was a spiritual journey. Samurai were trained to embody 7 core virtues: rectitude, courage, benevolence, respect, honesty, honor, and loyalty. These virtues made the samurai not only fearsome on the battlefield, but also men of deep wisdom and reflection. In fact, some of Japan's most famous works of literature were written by samurai who viewed their swords as symbols of their soul. To die with honor was the ultimate goal. Bushido taught that surrender or dishonor was worse than death. The act of seppuku, or ritual suicide, was a way for samurai to maintain their honor even in defeat. Over the centuries, the samurai faced countless battles that tested their loyalty and courage. From the Genpei War that saw the rise of the first samurai government to the Battle of Sekigahara that unified Japan, the samurai's influence was undeniable. But all things must come to an end. With the Meiji Restoration in the 19th century, Japan began to modernize. Western influence reshaped the country, and the samurai class was gradually dissolved. However, Bushido did not die. The values of Bushido live on in Japan's modern culture. The discipline, loyalty, and honor once reserved for warriors now influence the way business is conducted, how families are raised, and how Japanese society functions. The spirit of the samurai remains woven into the very fabric of Japan. The samurai may have disappeared, but their legacy endures. Bushido continues to shape Japan's soul, a reminder that the way of the warrior is not just about battles fought on a field, but the inner battles we all face. Join us next time on Epic Time Journeys, where we explore the hidden histories that have shaped our world.